So today we are at VolunteerFest being held at Celebrate Fairfax's park location in Tysons. It is a celebration of volunteerism. It's a festival for volunteers.
Volunteering and community service go hand in hand, so thank you all for stepping up today and giving back to your community.
A big part of our organization is hospice care, and volunteers truly are the heart of hospice. We are able to draw some of our most passionate, dedicated volunteers from Volunteer Fairfax, whether they come to us through one of our activities that's advertised through Volunteer Fairfax or whether they come to us through an event like this.
So VolunteerFest is an annual event. This is our 29th year. Overall, Volunteer Fairfax works with literally hundreds of organizations across the region. Today here at VolunteerFest, there's about 25 organizations represented here at VolunteerFest this year. Many of them are inside where you can learn about their ongoing volunteer opportunities and sign up to volunteer another day. There's also 4 or 5 projects that are happening literally on site today. Mostly the purpose of today is to help local residents find ways to volunteer in the community and give back.
Dr. King said that life's most persistent and urgent moral question is, what have you done for others? And you all are answering that question today. Volunteer Fairfax is helping people across our community answer that question each and every day.
Thank you for what you do. That's how we make the county a better place. There are only 10 of us, but there are over a million in our community. So thank you for what you do, and especially to our young future leaders.
So the work of Volunteer Fairfax is truly near and dear to my heart. I am a longtime Fairfax County resident. I went to Fairfax High School. I grew up in Fairfax City. And being able to serve the community that I am from, that I am of, is tremendously meaningful to me.